So this is a really, really important question here I'm addressing via an Instagram DM. Someone asked, should I do an NBME and free 120 back to back or two NBMEs back to back in the same day to simulate the real exam length? Okay, it's a really, really important question people ask sometimes. So before I get started, I'll be an asshole like I normally am. Tell you to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Help grow this channel. Share with one of your friends prepping for USMLE. Help bring awareness to this channel. Hit the like button. Hit the bell if you want notifications. Find me on Instagram at Melman_medical, MEHLMAN_medical. Link is down below. And find me on Telegram. Recently created a Telegram group and channel. The links are down below. Now let me address the fucking question, which is very important actually, about is it a good idea to do an NBME and free 120 back to back in the same day, or two NBMEs back to back in the same day to simulate the real exam length, to build endurance, etc. And the answer is a resounding fuck no. Okay, now the notion of preparing yourself based on exam length and pacing, going through many questions in a day, the notion of doing that might sound okay in theory, but you really just need to sit those exams individually on different days and review them accordingly. Because when you go into the real deal, even though it's longer than the individual NBMEs and free 120, your adrenaline is going to carry you through so easily, okay? Now, some of you studying for step 2, you've already sat step 1. You might be aware, you might say, yeah, that's right. Like when I sat step 1, it's the shortest fucking day of your life, okay? You're literally going to go in there in the morning and then like it's over before you know it. Your adrenaline will carry you through. You're not going to need practice doing exams back to back. Don't do that. Use the NBMEs individually, assiduously review them, okay? And then just sit them on different days. The real deal, you're going to get through it full length, no problem, okay? It's like, because it's only once, there's no room for fucking up the USMLE, okay? When you're actually in there and it counts, you make it fucking happen. That's essentially how you should just think of it. Don't worry about needing to practice sitting a full-length exam. And I've made a clip about Prometric as well. You also don't need to do that, okay? But I've made a prior clip if you want to check that out on Prometric. So you know the deal. I'm going to continue making more content. If you like my stuff, subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate your time. That's it.